What's going on, guys? Vic GST here, back with another video. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be installing my LED headlights that I ordered off eBay. They were about $12, shipped to my door. They are, they're supposed to be brighter, obviously. It's supposed to be brighter than the regular halogens. It's a 9006 bulb. So this is what they are, basically. You got the actual light, and then there's like a fan on the bottom. It's just like a plug and play harness. The only thing when you plug it in, just make sure you see the positive and negative. Plug it in on the right side so it illuminates, and it should be good. The only thing I'm worried about is because these things are so bulky that like hopefully I could still put my cover back on that covers my headlight, so like water and moisture doesn't get into the headlight, because that was kind of suck. So let's get into it and see. So first thing you're gonna do is remove this cover right here. It's the cover I was talking about. You're gonna remove the bulb. There's like that brass clip right there. Just kind of push it in and push it down. Let's see. There it goes. So, see that came off? And then should be able to pull this out. Yep. Bulbs out, and then just unplug it. So we'll do that real quick. We'll unplug it. Alright, so old light's unplugged. We're gonna plug the new one in. The new one's plugged in. This is the issue. We gotta try to fit this in here. I know it's like pretty bulky, so I'm gonna try to fit that in there. Once I get it in, show you guys what it looks like. Shitty fitment, and I feel like it's not gonna hold at all. The clip's on there, the bulb's obviously in there, but you see where that clip is? It's not really holding around the fan, so yeah, it's got some shitty fitment. And then I'm kind of like, I don't know how I feel about putting the caps over it when the fan's supposed to breathe, you know what I mean? But it does fit with the cap. See, fits with the cap, but it's I don't know. Don't feel too confident about the bulbs, especially how it's just holding in there. But let's see, fuck it. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like with the OEM bulb at nighttime, 9006 on a 2G DSM. Here it is. Alright guys, I'm going to show you what they look like in the daylight. I'm probably not going to keep these in my car because the fitment is so shitty and I just don't trust them. Especially probably because those LEDs get so hot that they need the fan to cool them and stuff like that. That's probably why it's there. But let me show you in the daytime, and then I'll show you in the nighttime. Alright? So this is going to be daytime. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like in the daytime. I'm going to show you guys nighttime right here. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you what the headlights look at nighttime. Let's see. Pretty far actually. That's what they look like at nighttime. Not too bad, pretty crystal clear. Pretty bright. They look good. Installation's just shitty unless I'm doing something on my part. but they just really didn't fit that well. But that's that for nighttime visuals. Alright guys, so the car's running and it's pretty loud. Maybe darken it a little bit. It looks way better off camera. Kind of how the light's looking. And so that's what it looks like in the nighttime. I don't know if I'm going to keep them in because they kind of don't... I don't feel like they're secure enough because they have that big backing and I don't fucking know. And then on top of it, like, it's sealed, but it's supposed to have the fans. So I don't know how I feel about that. Did keep my original bulbs, so if I want to toss those in, I will toss those in. But we'll see how it goes, and I'll update you guys on those. And but right now, I feel like the fitment is shit. So if you buy these for your car, fitment's shit. If you guys have a better recommendation for LED bulbs or a better company that has better fitment, please let me know down below, because I might be interested in purchasing something like that. Especially if the fitment's just not like huge. Like, the fan sticks out so much farther than this, it's crazy. You could see how, you know, long and wide that is, but with the fan it's probably twice that size. So I don't know. And it's so close to it, so like for like the hook to actually go over the back and latch onto this part, it doesn't work. You know what I mean? Like, I had to force it in there. And I just don't like how it's sitting. But I don't know. We'll see how it looks. So let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment if you know any other company that has better fitment for you know, the 2G DSMs. Please let me know, and I might be interested in purchasing some LEDs. I'm not really too interested in HIDs. That's why I purchased the LEDs, especially since they're so cheap. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe, please subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, thanks. Peace.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system.
All right, guys, so as I'm watching this, I'm thinking, like, and after having them in my car, the LED headlights are a horrible idea. They don't fit well, and the lighting actually really does suck. The LED headlights don't project themselves how they're supposed to in the OEM halogen housings. So I definitely don't recommend them. I wouldn't even buy them to try to use them. I think LEDs are good for like interior lighting and stuff like that if you want to use them, but for headlights, they're really not that great. So probably what I'm gonna do, I think someone said there's like silver stars or something like that that are pretty like bright, like a little white or whatever, bright white. So I might try those bulbs. Just stick to halogens, what's supposed to be in there, and hopefully I could get a better lighting for how far it's gonna go, and for, you know, obviously like whatever color lies, get a brighter white, because, you know, everyone hates the yellow. The yellow kind of looks like crap. I know it's OEM and it's probably the best lighting, that's why it's in there, because manufacturers did it for a reason. But I just want to change it up a little bit. I don't like the lighting. I don't like the yellowish tint that comes with it. And then I just want something that's going to kind of go a little bit more in depth. The LED lights that are in there, they're so bad that like I could probably only see like 5 feet in front of me or so at nighttime. It's horrible. I don't recommend it. I'm going to say this again. I'm going to switch over to probably like, I'll try those silver stars, see what they are. They're probably only like 30-40 bucks, and we'll see how those go. But for now, this is the video. You guys get to see how they are in a DSM, see how they project themselves, which is kind of a little bit scattering. As you can see probably in the last nighttime vid against that wall, it was a little bit scattering. I know people tried like a whole bunch of different brands. If you guys think there's a brand that's out there that's like, hey, this is the brand to use in your stock housing that actually does its job, drop it down in the comments and I'll see that and maybe look into those. But for right now, I think I'm gonna kind of look into like a regular light bulb, a regular halogen light bulb that's supposed to be in there, that's nice and bright, it's got that white color, and actually does its job. but I just wanted to add this in there for you guys. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe.
Now I know my heart is a ghost.